Alright guys, I was going to do some plane spotting here. MIA, last time I was here was last year around the same time going to Israel. This time we're doing Atlanta, Miami, Atlanta, Charles de Gaulle, and then Athens, Greece. ATH. The vacations continue. Despite those assholes that fire me on my job for 6 years and they fire me, they can kiss my ass. I got a better job now. Better job now. All my subs that know me from the previous job, y'all get to see Jack come up now. I'll come up and keep coming up. Can't keep a good man down, y'all. Can't keep a good man down. So we just had a 747 land. Lufthansa. (747) Lufthansa just landed. It's over there. Damn, he already got the gate that quick. Wow, that was quick. These are the south terminal. This is where El Al flies out of right here. Let's do a little brief deal there. See if I can't get in here and look. We board at 4:20, so I think we got about a 2.5 hour layover in Atlanta. Taking the red eye over there to Charles de Gaulle. It's like 8 hours and 35 minutes on the A330-900 Neo. So we're gonna go do that. We got A321 out of Charles de Gaulle. We got that out of Charles de Gaulle to Athens. This goes down to H17 here, looks like. MIA, y'all. (747) there, y'all. That's max 8 right there. That one just landed.
¿Cualquiera de las dos? ¿Está ocupada, verdad?
I believe that might be our bird that just landed there now. No, that's an A330.
No será. Ah, le escribí fue a la abuela. Sí. ¿A dónde, pues? Ahora sí quiere hablar conmigo, el interés. No, ay, sí.
Avianca Cargo. Alright, we'll do some more later. There's just a few jets for y'all right now. Jack out.